India will implement 3 new criminal laws that will replace the old laws from the British colonial era from July 1. What are the new laws and why this change? Let's discuss. These new laws are Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS), which will replace the Indian Penal Code (IPC) of 1860, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita (BNSS), which will replace the Criminal Procedure Code (CRPC) of 1973, and Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam (BSA), which will replace the Indian Evidence Act of 1872. But why was the change needed? The government wants to modernize the criminal justice system to better reflect Indian values and the current times. The aim is to make the laws more relevant to today's society, use more technology in law enforcement, and give greater importance to forensic science. Offences against women and children now have a dedicated chapter in BNS. Accordingly, hiring, employing, or engaging a child to commit an offence is now punishable by up to 10 years imprisonment. If the child commits the offence, the hirer will also face the same punishment. Procuration of a child for sexual intercourse is now a gender-neutral offence, covering both girls and boys, which was earlier a female only. The minimum punishment for buying a child for prostitution is now 7 years and maximum 14 years, which was earlier 10 years. As for women, highest punishment of death has been declared for all gang rape cases against minor girls, expanding the previous IPC provision, which was limited to victims under 12 years of age. There is also a new offence category, sexual intercourse by deceitful means, such as inducement of employment marriage under false pretenses or identity suppression is now punishable by up to 10 years. Introduction of Zero FIR and EFIR allows women to report crimes without jurisdiction concerns and without visiting a police station, reducing stigma and hesitation. Also preferably, a female magistrate will record statements of rape victims who also have the right to cross-examine the accused. Trials can now be conducted through audio-video means, providing a safer environment for female victims to give statements without fear of victimization.